How to change your cover photo on the Bluesky app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your cover photo on Bluesky app. Personalizing your profile is a great way to stand out, and updating your cover photo is super simple. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Bluesky app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in into your account. Once you have entered the app, simply tap on the three dash icon on the top left corner and the drop menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on Profile and you will enter your profile ID. Now on your profile ID page, you will see the button named Edit Profile. Simply tap on it. After that, you will find the camera icon both on your profile picture and cover picture. To change your cover picture, you simply need to tap on camera icon under the cover picture. Now you can choose any from these two options. Now select the photo that you want to put on the cover. After selecting the photo, adjust the image as needed to fit the cover space. Bluesky will let you crop and reposition it for the best fit. And once you are happy with how it looks, tap on Save. After saving, you will be taken back to your profile page where you can see your updated cover photo. And that's it. You have successfully updated your cover photo on Bluesky. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.